Step 1. Get Keplr Cosmos Wallet. Mobile phone app rating is mostly good, but there are a few issues. So, I recommend getting the Chrome extension for browser as well on the computer as a precaution. Step 2. Get webrowser extension from Chrome Web Store on your computer. Step 3. Create account on your browser. Choose between 12 or 24 seed words. Remember to write it down and keep it in a safe place. Step 4. Connect the wallet on your .phone.by, either importing from Keplr extension using barcode easier, or import existing wallet with the previous seed words. Buying JUNO ENS requires 1 JUNO plus very little extra for fees. You need min 1.5 ATOM or Cosmos. From phone app, you can check how much atom.to by JUNO. Step 5. Buy ATOM and send to your newly created Keplr wallet. Step 5. Go to app.osmosis.zone on your computer web browser. Step 6. Connect your Keplr wallet. Step 7. Click Deposit on Cosmos Hub ATOM. Now you have transferred from Keplr wallet.to Osmosis wallet. Step 8. Buy min 1.05 JUNO. Now you have JUNO.to by the ATOM ENS. Step 9. Withdraw JUNO.to Keplr wallet. Step 10. Open new tab and type dens.sh website. Step 11. Search the name you want. Step 12. Register your chosen name. Step 13. Fill out optional information if you want. Step 14. Create that username. I recommend save this new address for future use. Good luck!